Assalamu alaikum, my beautiful viewers. Hope you are well. Alhamdulillah, I'm good. Today I have come with another video as promised. So Eid's around the corner, so I thought why not just give you a video of how to make chaney. This is obviously a desi breakfast what people usually have around Eid time, Eid breakfast. So here it is. Yeah, that's the ingredients what I've just listed. It will also be on my description, but as you can see, it's onions, tomatoes, all the masalas and the red chili powder, Haldi, salt, everything. You can see them, garam masala, channeh obviously, and then I always have the lesson, green chilies and adrak all mixed together. I blend them. That's always what I do. So now what I've done is in a pan I've put in oil, and once it's gone a bit warm I've just put in the blended onions, and I just mix well, just keep mixing, and then obviously when it's a bit brown, it's up to you, entirely up to yourself how brown you would like it. I know some people don't like to make it too brown, they just like to make it a bit saute. So it's entirely up to yourself. We personally, as my mum's always taught us, we just like it at least a bit slightly brown, as you can see over there. And then I added the green chilies, the adrak and the lesson mixed, and then I've just mixed it well. And so that takes a few minutes, and once that's all done, when it's all blended in well for a few minutes, I've added all the masalas, the red chili powder, the haldi, the garam masala, everything. Like I said, all the description will be on my description box. You can obviously add the tomatoes straight away as well if you need to add slight water as well, so the tomatoes are blended in well. And then you just put the lid back on and make sure it's on low flame at this time. And then once all the tomatoes have been obviously mixed well with the mixture, then what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna add in the potatoes, which you will be able to see in in the next step. But there you go. And then obviously it's entirely up to yourself how you would like to cut them. Obviously some people like them small pieces, some like them very big pieces, or some medium pieces. It's entirely up to yourself. We personally like this size. I think that's just perfect for us. So what we do is then once the potatoes are half cooked, obviously you can see on there, I'm just showing you there. So can you see when it's half cooked, not halfly, you can then add the channeh. Make sure you add the potatoes first and then the channeh. I personally like that because channeh don't take that long to obviously be cooked. It's the potatoes which take a bit of while. Now I've added the channeh, and there I put the lid back on. Now that can take a bit of a while, obviously, for all it to cook. When I say a while, it can take up to half an hour, and then you just put it in slow flame and let it cook. And there, that's all done. You can see over there, I've obviously in my previous videos as well, I've shown you how to make the halwa and the puris. So please do check them out, and thank you very much. So you can see the desi breakfast is made, and oh, that looks nice. I'm just drooling again, but yeah, that's all done for me, guys. Thank you very much for supporting as always. I do appreciate all your comments. As previously said, I'm all new. This is all it's new. Everything is new for me, so thank you very much for supporting, guys. I do appreciate everything. Thank you. But thank you very much, guys, for watching. Until the next video, take care of yourself and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. Bye.